Welcome to this second part. It's going to be very brief and short. I forgot to add something on our trading view video, and which is these aspects here. The prices. These are the prices on the chart. This your right side is the pricing. These are the price levels. You can see your arrow is always coming with a line. So here is my arrow now. You can see the line is even there directly to a price. And the price I'm seeing now on this arrow is 1.15798. That's the price where my arrow is. Now, currently, where is the market? You can see the color green here. If you look closely here, you can see that here is highlighted green and it's currently ticking, is reading. Is reading. That's to tell you that market is live. Except on Saturdays and Sundays. When you come to your trade view, you will notice it is not reading. That's because the forex market is off. Except the crypto pair. That's when you need to keep reading because crypto runs 24/7. But for forex pairs, once you come here by weekends, prices will not be reading. Just like it is reading here now, you can see the prices is changing. The timing is changing. That's because the market is live. So here is the price levels. The price levels. For example, let me bring my horizontal and I place it here. If you trace it to your right, you can see it has already highlighted the price for you, 1.15798. That's the price level. Let me delete. Now let me use a short position. Let me say I place my short position here and my SL is here and my TP is 4RR. Now, how do you know the price of this your short, your sell that you want to sell? Now, you have already seen your zone, you have placed your short position. Now, you need to write out your signals. How do you take your signals? You can see, immediately I place that short position, it has automatically highlighted by the right. It has highlighted. You can see the red. If you put your arrow here, this is your SL. Trace it down. You can see it's telling you, it's showing 1.6. This is it here. If you trace your SL down, 1.6525, which is the same thing. That's why it is highlighting red for you. This is your SL, but you have to trace it also to confirm. So that's your SL. And this one highlighted in white is entry. This is your entry here. If you put your arrow there and trace back, what is it reading? It's simply reading 1.16385, which is the same thing. That's why it highlighted it for you. Your entry, your SL is red. Then your TP here, your TP when you trace it, it's giving 1.157, 1.15784. And it's the same thing here. That's why it highlighted green here. So immediately you put a 2 on your chart, it will be automatically highlighted on your price levels. That's how it works. So each tool is directly proportional to a price level. Anywhere you place it, if I remove it now and play and do it like this, you can see the signals have changed. So it is following the tool. Here is simply my entry. If I trace it down, I will get my entry. If I trace the SL to the right, I get my SL. And if I trace the TP down here to give me my TP level. So here is simply where you read your prices. That's where you get your prices. That's the price levels. And once it is reading, just like what you are seeing here, it means the market is live. And once you come to your trade view and you can't find it reading, it is either your network is off or it is Saturday or Sunday. Market is not live. So that is all about trade view.